Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how I make cheese-filled croissants.
99 names of Allah.
I start off by grabbing 1 cup of milk, half a cup of water, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of yeast, and a pinch of salt, and 1/3 cup of sugar, and just mixing them into a bowl. I then add 1 egg. After letting it sit for a while, I slowly start to mix in my flour. I'm adding it slowly. In total, this is around 4 cups of all-purpose flour. After mixing it all together, I let it sit for 10 minutes. I now grab my feta cheese and add some into a bowl. You can use any cheese, I just like feta cheese's texture. I'm also cutting up some cilantro and I'm gonna add those into the feta cheese bowl. I also add some olive oil and give it a nice mix. Once the dough is ready, we just flatten it out. I add some oil and then add my feta cheese mixture on top and evenly spread it out. I then cut my dough into triangle shapes like pizza, and then I roll it like this. After putting it on a pan, I then grab some egg and I just layer it on top. After putting it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350, you should have this.
Bye guys, subscribe. What food do you want us to make next?